Want to keep exploring the world well into your 70s or even 80s? Your habits today determine how long you'll stay travel-ready. Today, I'm sharing 20 simple habits will help you stay healthy, strong, and independent. Because adventure doesn't have an age limit. If you're over 60 and want to keep traveling, these habits will help you stay mobile, energized, and confident on the road. Stick around to the end for my 3 favorite daily travel-friendly habits that keep me energized anywhere in the world. First up, and this one is crucial, you gotta keep learning new things. I'm talking about languages, cultures, even that newfangled technology on your phone. Your brain is a muscle, you hear me? If you don't use it, you lose it. When you challenge your mind, you're building new pathways, keeping it flexible and sharp. According to researchers at Harvard Medical School and the Alzheimer's Association, engaging in mentally stimulating activities, like learning a new language, using travel apps, or even studying local history, can help delay cognitive decline and reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Staying curious isn't just good for your travel experience, it's essential for your long-term health. Number 2, stay socially connected. I'm talking about finding your tribe. Look for travel clubs, join group tours, and nurture your friendships. There's a special kind of energy that comes from sharing an adventure. When you're standing in front of something amazing, that moment is magnified when shared. Number 3, practice gratitude every single day. Starting your day or ending your night by thinking about what you're thankful for is a game changer. It shifts your whole perspective. Gratitude is the antidote to stress. When you're in a state of gratitude, your body literally calms down and your immune system gets stronger. When you're traveling, things are going to go wrong. Your flight will get delayed, it might rain on your beach day. The key is adaptability, which is our number 4 habit. You have to learn to accept these changes and age with grace. Fighting against reality is a waste of precious energy. Number 5, set exciting travel goals. Write it down. I want to see the northern lights in Iceland. I want to take a cooking class in Tuscany. Why? When you have a real tangible destination on your list, it gives you something to work towards. That bucket list is your why, the fuel for your engine. If you're going to take one piece of physical advice from me today, let it be this. Walk every single day. That's my 6th habit. Aim for 5,000 steps or more. Think about what travel requires. You're walking through massive airports, exploring cities on foot, strolling through museums. All of that takes endurance. Now we gotta add stretching. So number 7, stretch regularly. As we get older, our muscles get tighter. A few minutes of stretching is like applying oil to a rusty hinge. Focus on the key travel muscles, your hips, your back, and your calves. All that sitting on planes and walking you'll be doing needs these muscles to be flexible. Number 8, strength training 2 to 3 times a week. I'm talking about functional strength, the strength you need for real life and travel. Think about the physical demands of travel, lifting your suitcase, carrying bags upstairs, navigating uneven terrain. Strong muscles support your independence. Number 9, work on your balance. A fall can be devastating. The good news is balance is a skill you can improve with practice. Strong balance gives you confidence to walk on uneven surfaces, step on and off boats, or navigate crowded markets without fear. Number 10, here's a simple habit that costs nothing. Take the stairs when you can. Every time you choose stairs over the elevator, you're giving your body a mini workout. Many of the world's most beautiful sights involve stairs. If you make a habit of taking them, you'll handle them with ease on your travels. Let's move to another section, nutrition and energy. I have 5 great habits to implement right now. Number 11, eat for energy, not just for comfort. You can't run a high-performance machine on junk fuel. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. They provide long-lasting energy and keep your immune system strong. Number 12, stay hydrated. Water is the most essential thing for your body. When you're dehydrated, your energy plummets and you feel foggy. This is especially critical when traveling. Airplane air is drier than the Sahara Desert. Carry a water bottle everywhere and sip constantly. Number 13, limit processed foods and sugar. When you eat a bunch of sugar, your blood sugar spikes up, then comes crashing down, leaving you tired and cranky. Enjoy local delicacies, but make it a conscious choice, not your go-to fuel source. Avoiding sugar crashes means steady, reliable energy all day. Number 14. Pack healthy snacks when you travel. Being prepared prevents impulse eating. When you're hangry, you make bad decisions and grab expensive tourist trap food. Keep snacks in your day pack when exploring. It keeps your energy stable, saves money, and ensures you're fueling your body with good stuff. Now let's talk about something very important. You can have the best diet and exercise plan, but if you're not sleeping, it's all for nothing. You have to stick to a regular sleep routine. This is our number 15 habit. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Your brain consolidates memories, and your energy stores are replenished. As we get older, we need that recovery time even more. Number 16. Learn to beat jet lag naturally. Traveling far from your home base. Set your watch to destination time immediately. Use light exposure to reset your internal clock, and stay hydrated. By using light, water, and movement, you can conquer jet lag and hit the ground running instead of feeling like a zombie for days. This one is non-negotiable. Number 17. Stay on top of your health checkups and vaccines. Your health is the real passport. Without it, you ain't going anywhere. Before any major trip, talk to your doctor about your plans. They'll ensure your prescriptions are refilled and recommend any specific vaccinations for your destination. Number 18. Travel with a basic self-care kit. I'm talking about a small, well-organized pouch with essentials that can handle minor issues that pop up on the road. Having this kit means you're not scrambling to find a pharmacy in a foreign country at night. You're self-sufficient, prepared, and in control. Number 19. Choose destinations that excite and challenge you. Don't just go somewhere because it's on a generic list. Where does your heart want to go? Maybe it's the tranquility of a national park, the vibrant energy of Tokyo, or a beach where you can read. Your travel should reflect your passions. Number 20. Learn to travel slow when you need to and honor your body's rhythm. The goal now is not to see the most, but to experience the most. Listen to your body. If you're tired, maybe it's a park bench day instead of a big hike. There's no shame in taking a rest day. It's the smartest thing you can do. So you got the list of 20 habits, but I have a bonus tip. Here are my 3 daily travel habits. First, morning stretches and a short walk. Second, never skip a protein-packed breakfast and start hydrating immediately. Third, evening reflection. Sometimes I'll journal, other times I'll think about things I'm grateful for. It processes the experience and calms my mind for sleep. Travel doesn't stop after 60, it just gets smarter. These habits are your passport to lifelong adventures. You have the wisdom, you have the time. Which habit will you start today? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more senior travel hacks. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.